This is high gain DC to DC converter, that is with the minimum duty ratio the voltage boost ratio will be higher. Okay, in this we are using two supply transformers, each one is of 12 volt 3 amps. Okay, and we will get initially one transformer will be connected, that is when the relay is off one transformer will be connected, when the relay is on both transformers will be connected. Okay, like we will get around 12 to 17 volt with one transformer. When two transformer we will get around 28 to 35 volt, and that will be connected to these rectifiers. Individually we will connect it to rectifiers, and the rectifier output will be provided as the input to this converter. This is the converter part. This converter consists of two switches, that is two MOSFETs, two inductors and two switched capacitors. These two are two switched capacitors, and this one is output capacitor. Okay, the pulses will be provided from the Arduino. Here the Arduino will generate the pulses. We are generating only single pulse. For both switches a single pulse is only needed. Both will switch on and off simultaneously at the same time, and these pulses will be provided to this buffer IC. The buffer IC will act as isolation between the controller and this driver circuit setup, and from buffer IC it is given to driver IC individually. Two switches are there, so two set of driver ICs will be there. Okay, when the pulse is on, that is pulse is high, at the time the supply connected across the driver IC will be connected across gate and source terminals of the MOSFET, so the MOSFET will be on. When the pulse is off, the supply will be cut off, so the across gate and source we will get 0 volt. That means the switch will be off. When the both switches are on, this inductor gets charged, and when both switches are off, the inductor will be discharging and provide supply to this this capacitor and also to the output capacitor. Okay, now we will connect the first Arduino controller supply is connected, and then driver circuit supply will be connected. Now both transformers are connected here. That means the input voltage is around 35 volt. Okay, here the output voltage, it is reaching around 400 volt. It will reach 420 volt. Okay, 424, 428, like that it will be stopped. After that, if we remove this, okay, then only one transformer will be connected. Here the voltage will be around 380. It will oscillate between 350 to 380. Okay, so this output voltage we are getting from 350 to 430 volt. With both transformers we are getting around 420, 430 volt. With single transformer we are getting around 370, 380. This is the load resistance. Okay, total output load resistance will be around 10 kilo ohms, that is 3.3, 3.3, 3.3, 10 kilo ohms. Application wise, this is from low voltage to high voltage we are stepping up, so it can be used in DC drives, we can use it in UPS and all, we can use it, because UPS input voltage will be battery only 12 volt. Output voltage it will around 240 volt for single phase application, 240 volt. For three phase application it will be around 440 volt. Okay, so in that and all we can use. In renewable energies also, PV and all, the voltage will be minimum, that is with minimum input voltage and higher output voltage, where and all we need, we can use this converter.